I'm Smithy, this is a Kentucky. Benji's there and here's Georgie. Say hello, Georgie. Say hello, Georgie. He's saying hello as well, good boy. So this video was supposed to be about me paying it forward, if you will. There's a van lifer struggling with a bit of engine trouble, and you can go on his site, you can buy some coffee or a few cups or a t-shirt or whatever, and I thought, well, if it helps him sort his engine out, I'll buy some coffee. So we bought some coffee. What I didn't expect, Mike, was what you did for me. That was unbelievable, buddy. All I can say from the bottom of my heart, thank you. It was unexpected, uncalled for, and hey, thank you. Anyway, you know what it was, Mike. So that's what the video was going to be about. It was going to be me trying Liam's coffee, Liam the Terrible, in a Mocca and a French press. I've dropped the thing, to see which was best. But I just want to tell you something before I do. Why, when you go shopping, right, and this is how I go shopping. I've got a mask on, right, I'm like that. How do you know it's me? You don't know it's me, do you? It's me, look, it's me. You know, I love shopping at Asda. Even when you've got a mask on, and you see a mate and you go, "Oh yes mate, are you alright?" I say, "Yeah, I'm fine." And why do they look at your shopping next? And I buy, you know, me incontinence pads. They're for a relative. Anybody else ask me why I'm buying incontinence? I'll just say they're for me, because I've had enough now. So nobody knows it's me. I'm out hidden. So I'm walking out with trolley. "Hiya Smitty, you alright?" "Oh yeah, I'm fine mate." And about 4 people. "Hiya Smitty." I said, "Yeah, hiya." "Why do you look at me shopping?" The next people that ask me how I'm doing and they see my shopping, I'm just saying, "Yeah, it's for me mate, yeah, I'm old now." Anyway, so that's what the idea was. And then I woke up to parcels coming through at post. Mike did what he did. You know what you did, Mike? I've got a feeling I know who this is off. The only thing is I don't have my glasses on, and I don't know why. For the last 3 days I've brought 3 pairs of glasses, so I've had to buy some new ones. Let's open this up. I've got a feeling I may know what it is. Trevor from Postcats Camping. So the thing is though, Trevor, I only have some stickers and a thank you card to send you, and you're sending me all this, Trevor. What can I say, mate? Thank you, and we're going to put your sticker on there. Let's have a look. You know, I love getting presents. I hope it's not a bomb, Trevor. If there's a timer on it, it's going out window. Right, it's all nicely wrapped up, Trevor. Oh, Postcats Camping. Best wishes, Trevor and Sue. Postcats Camping. So we've got a sticker to put on the wall. We've got 2, Trevor. Now then, I might keep that other one because I'm going to get a box. I've got a box for the back. You see that? I hope you can. So that's Trevor and Sue from Postcat Camping. Let's get your sticker on the wall. I've no glasses on to see what I'm doing. Oh, there we go. Let's see the appeal. Right, let's just put that there and we'll put this on the wall. We'll put you under Blake's on Tour, who've got my van as well. Let's have a look at the sticker wall. Postcats. There we go, look at that now. We're getting there. Right, let's see what we got. Hey, and what good timing, because I can do... Oh, where's the other cup? Oh, here. I've got that one. It's a Volkswagen cup. I think they're from B&M's then. Oh, that's a nice cup, look. Hey, look at that. I'm going to treasure that. I'm going to drink a coffee out of it in a minute. I'm going to do... Oh, it's the same logo as your There's your videos. Anyway, what we're going to do, we're going to have Liam's coffee and we're going to try it in a Mocca and a French press. See which is best. So there's me making a video all about, you know, paying it forward a little bit, helping a fella van lifer out. Oh, I've dropped it. And then everybody's helping me out. Let's have a smell. Whoa. You know, that smells like I've just ground it myself. Can you see? I hope you can see that. I'll turn it round. It smells like I've just ground it myself. What am I doing? I need water in. You're doing it wrong way around, Smithy. I'll do. Yeah, it smells like I've ground it myself. I think that'll do. Right, I'll leave that there because I need some more coffee in that other thing, don't I? Now I think we'll move the kettle there because that's bigger, and we'll put that on there. Alright. Right, Mocca. French press, I mean. Right. So, you know, the guy needs help with his van. Buy some coffee, help the guy out, why not? So I'm up for that. So I hope it helps you out, buddy, and I hope one or two other people, why not help the guy out, get some coffee. Hit the view I've got. You can't beat that, can you? I never get sick of looking at that view. When I came in here there was a motorhome and it was a bit of an old fella, I don't think he knew what he was doing, but he was trying to get out. And anyway, I asked him to back up a bit because I couldn't get beside of him, and I said I'll go in there. It's sign language. I'll go in there, you back up. Anyway, he did. There you go. Sign language. Oh, there's some more motorhomes coming in. I hope they don't park too close to me because I'll never get out. Anyway, so we're going to try French press and a Mocca with Liam's coffee, see which is best. So, hey Trevor, thank you. Cup, stickers. Looks nice, that sticker now. It's coming on nicely, that sticker wall. If I have a PayPal thing, if anybody wants the stickers, you know, put a quid in or a couple of quid, I'll send you some stickers. Just pay for postage, you know what I mean? And you can have a couple of stickers with pleasure. I'm going to send one to Trevor. I don't have any cups, Trevor. I said I sent you a nice SMITHY'S Kentucky cup. But there you go. Right, I'll bring you back in a minute and we'll sort this food, this drinks and coffees out. Now then, I always have coffee, mate, me. I don't bother with milk. I love coffee, mate. About 3 teaspoons in each. I don't know if I can do this coffee justice with coffee, mate, but that's always how I've drunk my coffee. I absolutely love coffee, mate. I can't recommend it enough. Never goes off. So we've still got this, because obviously we were on the hunt for a good bean. So I've been grinding my own coffee for a while and trying all different flavours. Well, you've seen some anyway on videos I've posted. And anyway, we're going to try Liam's. And this one, bear in mind I've no glasses on, VANLIFE Brazil. No, I can't read it. Mild, smooth, something nutty. I did read it to you last time. I can't see it, I've no glasses on. I've knackered him. And I don't get a new pair till Tuesday. And I'm not wearing them with one thing missing because it just fall off. Hey, what a good sound that, eh? I've turned the wrong one off. Right. That's not ready yet. So we'll put the kettle in the Mocca, in the French press. Right. Spoon. I have a feeling that that's going to be very strong. I'll put a bit more water in. Right. So while the Mocca's doing, we'll leave that to soak all the juices up, and then we'll do the Right, that's the Mocca, and the French press we'll put in my cup. So let's do that. Do you know, it smells nice from here. It smelled nice in the packet, to be fair. Hey, look at that, very nice. Right, so we've got to remember which way around we've done it. French press in mine, Mocca in Trevor's cup. So everybody's going to wonder, what are you on about, Trevor's cup? Posh Cat Camping. That's going to be Trevor's cup from now on. So if I ever use it, I'll say, pass us Trevor's cup. Right. Hey, behave. Behave. People walking past the van. There's another camper. Volkswagen Transporter. Anyway, I've told you before, when you use coffee whitener, like I do, it's absolutely boiling water. It's red hot. So we're going to have to wait a few minutes till it cools down. Hey, come here. What's to do with you? What are you barking at? Hey. What are you barking at? He's not sitting now. Alright, I was going to hold you then, I won't. He being nosy. It's a camper. He's leaving. It's got some nice off-road tyres on it by the looks of it. Right, let's try. So Trevor's. Do you know what? I forgot which way around it was now. Trevor's was the Mocca, wasn't it? Right. I've got half a sugar in each. I take half a sugar, me. Just half a one. That's not bad, Benji. I think this was the French press, wasn't there, in my cup? But I could be wrong. I'll have to look back on the camera and see which way around I've done it. I don't script anything, me. I just waffle and say how it is. I say what comes into my head. Oh no, that's better. That one, I'm going to have a look on the camera now. When I edit it, I'll see which one it was. That one's the best one. I'm sure. I think this was a French press, you know. I can't remember. But yeah, that's not. So let's have another. Oh, that's hot. That was hot. That was hot. It could just be that I had more coffee in one than the other. But I definitely say my cup is better than Trevor's. Not in cups, the coffee. But yeah, hey, nice coffee, Liam. Thank you. And you know, if you want to help somebody out, go along to Liam's shop, get some coffee or a mug or a t-shirt or whatever, and let's get him an engine. I don't think we'll get him an engine out of buying coffee, but he'll all help anyway. So anyway, that being said, Mike, I hope you speedy recovery. I hope you're doing well, buddy. And Trevor, thank you. Beautiful cup. Stickers on the wall. What a good day we had. I was supposed to be helping somebody else out and everybody's helping me out. Anyway, such is life. Do you remember that video I did, cooking that steak? I kept the Harry, you know. It's been there all that time. I just kept it there. Not like somebody was firing an arrow there. A good job I wasn't there when they were firing it. Anyway, I'm Smithy. This is a Kentucky. That's Benji. That's George. Other way around. And I'll see you soon. Be lucky. No, that's not right. Anyway, that's George. That's Benji. I'm Smithy. Be lucky. Anyway, Benji's just run to the front of the van. There's George. Say ta-ra, George. Say ta-ra. Say ta-ra. Stay safe, be lucky, and I'll definitely see you soon. And I'm going to enjoy this coffee. And thank you for all the comments. You know, they're outstanding. I love reading the comments. I sit there, like I put the video on, and the day after, I go through the comments one at a time, and it makes your day. Because, you know, everybody's giving me good comments. The ones that were bad a while ago, I just blocked them, so I don't get them anymore. So anyway, take care. Oh.